It's raining, cold, haven't had coffee. Situation. It's a good day. Made it to Kawartha Highlands. Getting ready to put in. Look at all the stuff we have. Pretty epic. Got some brews.
Comfort camping.
I know, it looks like it's gonna rain tonight. Got a paddle here, do some things. Basically my only goal today is to not get anything wet.
That's not gonna happen.
But check it out. Epic. Just getting everything ready here. Trying to tie in all of our stuff. I think we have enough for 2 nights. Got my ninja hoodie on. It's epic. The only goal, like I said, is not to fall in because I'm wearing all my immersion gear. Not. Maybe I'm 2 miles in. Four more to go.
Yeah.
Woohoo! I want to go to the extreme zone.
Yeah, well, we might have to.
Remember, we never turn around. We are on to our second portage, as you can see. Oh no! And James just wet his only pair of shoes. See over the cherry. Okay. Alright, we're on a third portage. I have been portaging a canoe, not just James this whole time. But this is literally like we are hiking with a canoe.
Canoe hiking.
It's a new sport. So, yeah, not that fun. But we're almost there. Whoa. Treacherous. Alright, morning of day 3. A little bit of rain. Woke up 6 to get on the water so you get back to the put-in really early. Not super rainy yet. But got on rain gear. It's a good thing. After our next 4 times, get 30. After our 6. Not like that.
This looks like a legit house up here.
Just finished our final portage, but now we got a big old lake we got to paddle by.
Long lake.
Yep. Wind's howling. It's raining, cold. Haven't had coffee. Situation.
It's a good day.
Yeah. So perfect.